EzRemove AI is a website that allows you to remove the background of any kind of image and replace it with a colored background. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. This is going to be a quick one today. As you can see, you can easily upload one of your images. I'm going to use one of their images down here. I'm going to choose this cool looking sports car, and then I've immediately got this background removed. If I want to change the background to any different color, I can do that. I can get it looking like a sticker or like an interesting graphic. But yeah, this is definitely something that I think can be very useful if you need to, let's say, do some product mock-up sort of visuals. You can definitely extract all the sort of different positions that the product is in.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Remove the background and then you train a model on that and use that to create further images of your product in any environment. So yeah, definitely check this out and see if it can be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.